Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if iOS 16.4 update is not showing on your iPhone or iPad. As you know that iOS 16.4 update is out now. So if you're trying to update your iPhone from the settings and you are getting the problem that your update is not showing on your iPhone or iPad, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem and how you can get the new update iOS 16.4. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. To fix this, if you are not getting the update, first of all go to your iPhone settings and make sure that you have connected the Wi-Fi and you have the stable internet connection. So make sure that you have an internet connection and it's working perfect. So you can check that. You can open any app and see if internet connection is working. So as you can see, the internet connection is working. So now move to the next step. Then go to your iPhone settings, click on general, scroll down, and here you will see language and region. Click on region, and now you have to change the region. Select the region where are you living right now. So let me just change my region and just wait for a few seconds until the region is changed. So once you have changed the region, now the next step is go to the setting again, click on general, scroll down, click on VPN and device management. So if you see any profile, beta profile, simply click on it. So I have already downloaded the beta profile. Simply click on remove profile, enter the passcode of your iPhone, and then simply click on not now. So once you have done all these steps, then simply close all the apps running in the background. Now you can go to settings, go to general, click on software update. This time you will get the official update iOS 16.4 on your iPhone or iPad. So hope this video helps you. If you have any problem related to the software update, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching.